Welcome to our channel where we will be talking about top 10 most comfortable touring motorcycles for 2023. Half the wheels, all the excitement. For more updates check out our website www.nomotorcycleriders.com.
The open road is calling, and it always has been. Humans are just hardwired to explore, to want to see what's over the horizon. Every motorcyclist knows the feeling, and one motorcycle makes it happen better than any other, the Honda Goldwing. All 4 Goldwing trim levels this year get updated highlight stripes and colors, as well as a navigation system map update. But the best parts remain: the famously smooth 1833cc 6-cylinder engine, refined bodywork for weather protection, and ample luggage. Full of innovative engineering, all Goldwing models are Android Auto compatible, as well as offering Apple CarPlay compatibility. You can choose between a conventional 6-speed transmission and our exclusive Honda automatic 7-speed DCT transmission, depending on the model. So go ahead, isn't it time you experience the gold standard of touring bikes? One look and your eyes will immediately go to the Goldwing's radical, Honda-engineered double wishbone front suspension. The innovative design changes the path the wheel travels through the suspension stroke, and that lets us move both the engine and the rider passenger closer to the front wheel. You get more room and stellar handling. The 2023 Goldwing's throttle-by-wire system enables features like the bike's 4 ride modes and our exclusive Honda selectable torque control, available on all Goldwing models for 2023. The Goldwing's trunk holds 61 liters. That means in most cases you can get 250 full-face helmets in there. Combined, the trunk and saddlebags give you 121 liters of storage, plenty to hold what you need for a weekend's travels. Available accessories include an auto-on interior light, a luggage rack, and more. The Goldwing's horizontally opposed 6-cylinder engine is famously smooth and powerful. The latest version is an 1833cc design that's over 13 pounds lighter than the previous generation. The R1250 RT is the perfect companion for your tour. Its legendary BMW shift cam boxer engine pulls just as powerfully over country roads as it does over winding mountain passes. Its updated front end makes it look more dynamic and slimmer. On the other hand, there is a wide range of features such as the extra-large 10.25 TFT display or available active cruise control, providing extra comfort on your journey. And at the end of the day, you know that there's nothing like shared experiences and a perfect companion. Being on the road, eating up the miles, meeting people, new experiences, exchanging stories, every tour has highlights. Just like the R1250 RT, its many features allow you to ride comfortably. You are always well prepared and can focus entirely on your trip. More space, more clarity, more visibility. The new, large 10.25 TFT screen combines all the instruments of the R1250 RT, plus practical functions such as the navigator and connectivity. The split screen gives you an overview of several functions at the same time, such as displaying the onboard computer in addition to the current speed. The color display is given extra sharpness and contrast by the robust, tempered and non-reflective glass cover. Your screen is easy to read even in the midday sun, and thanks to the anti-fingerprint coating, it stays that way. Carefree riding pleasure. The newly available active cruise control driving assistance system lets you set the desired speed and the distance to the vehicle in front conveniently by pressing a button on the handlebars. A radar sensor at the front determines the vehicle speed and the distance to the vehicle ahead. If this distance is reduced, the system automatically reduces the speed and re-establishes the selected distance. If the distance is increased, the vehicle will increase speed and resume the speed setting. This way, you can enjoy a relaxed journey over every mile.
Thank you.